Exploring English. Dive into simple prepositions. Hello learners around the world. Welcome to our new lesson in our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial part of English grammar, prepositions. More specifically, we'll be focusing on the simple prepositions. Let's unravel the mystery behind these handy little words. Prepositions are words that connect and establish relationships between our ideas. They're like little bridges in our sentences, linking nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words in a sentence. A key feature of prepositions is that they often indicate direction, location, time, or manner. Now, on to our main topic, simple prepositions. Simple prepositions are single-word prepositions. These are probably the prepositions you're most familiar with, and they're the most common ones we use in the English language. Words like at, on, in, from, to, with, and over are all examples of simple prepositions. Simple prepositions are used in everyday conversation and writing, so it's crucial to understand their usage. At is used to indicate a specific place or point in time. For example, I'm waiting at the bus stop. On is generally used for surface or specific days, dates. For example, the book is on the table. In is used for nonspecific times during a day, a month, a season, or a year, or enclosed spaces. For example, I was born in January. From and to are used to indicate the start and end points of a range, respectively. For example, I work from 9 to 5. With is used to indicate being together or being involved. For example, I'm going to the cinema with my friends. Over is used to denote movement from one point to another, among other uses. For example, he jumped over the fence. Remember, these are just general guidelines. Prepositions can have different meanings depending on their context. The best way to master prepositions is through practice. Try constructing your own sentences using the simple prepositions we discussed today. For instance, use at in a sentence that tells where you're studying right now, or in to tell about your favorite season. The more you practice, the more you'll feel comfortable with using these prepositions. That wraps up our lesson on simple prepositions. Remember, prepositions are tiny words with a significant impact on our sentences. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find these handy little words will come naturally to you in your English conversations and writings. Thank you for joining us in this lesson, and we hope it was helpful. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next lesson.